Hey, what's up everybody? What's up Urinators? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be checking out Army's tweets that will honk your horn. I gotta say that it's a pretty creative title, so if you guys are ready to check this video out, get your horns ready because they're going to be honked, and let's jump into it. But before we do it, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and if you want to see my exclusive reactions that I don't post on YouTube, such as BTS Run episodes, BTS Bon Voyage, and Twice reactions as well, definitely check out my Patreon. The link is in the description. That kid.
You're 18 and living in Korea alone. That's really brave. So how many boyfriends have you had so far?
6
6!
from BTS.
BTS is 7 of them and you said 6. Who are the one that you're choosing?
Oh, that one I'm currently dating. I'm currently.
All right. Okay.
1, 2, 3, they call me Pepsi. Your body, sexy, 빨리.
와, 나 대박. 야, 근데 왜 나요? 우리끼리 가요 일단.
오호, 이건 세트가 합쳐졌군.
Persona.
A to the G to the U to the C야. 그다음 뭐지?
Boy,
아무튼
because I'm proud.
Their facial expressions, guys. Yeah, they love free stuff. Just working. Looks like I'm gonna be doing the same thing. Just working. Just working. Yeah, that's cool.
G to the U to the C야. 그다음 뭐지?
Boy,
아무튼
because I'm proud.
제가 제일 잘했는데 왼발이란 걸 어필해야겠대. 위로 보여주세요.
커가지고 근데 안 그래도 되게 잘하는데 신발까지 없어서 사실 조금 힘든 제 종아리와의 싸움이었습니다.
느꼈어 JK 느꼈어 JK 느꼈어 JK 느꼈어 JK
What?
느꼈어 JK
나는 안 보냐?
JK
Is it like their personal meme or something? Okay. Wow, yeah, that was awesome.
Lawrence from Birmingham. What makes each of your Star Trek? Oh,
Yeah, he's smooth. Wow. Wow.
그런데
Wow. Hey, I haven't seen it before. Wow.
OST 나오잖아 뒤에.
우리 BT 중에 OST 한번 녹음하자.
네가 만들자.
OST는 그 알지? 되게 약간 되게 그 락밴드가 하는 법한 노래야.
세상에 너무나 많은 일들. 약간 이런 거죠.
그러니까 세상에 너무나 많은 일들로 시작을 해야 돼. 세상에 자 들어보세요. 첫 가사 세상에 너무나 많은 일들.
Oh, so it actually happened. All right.
세상에 너무나 많은
Okay, so that awkward interview, I don't really know the backstory behind it, why they were acting this way, but Jimin, it was just hilarious. He was like, where do I put my hands? Maybe, yeah, Namjoon's leg seems like, Namjoon's thigh seems like an appropriate place. I'm just gonna gently rest them there, you know, it seems fine. But overall, I really enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys did as well, and if you did, then you know what to do now. You leave a like, you subscribe, and you click the bell. I'll catch you all, Everynators, in my next video. As always, take care, keep listening to great music, and if you don't really know what to do with your hands, just rest them on your friend's thigh, and love.